Hi guys, I'm Chandni and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing the new Vivo VS full view display mobile phone. I was so fortunate to receive this package and I will be unboxing this in front of you guys. Okay, so here it is. So this is blue in color and this comes with a 24 megapixel front camera, full view display, 4 GB RAM, 32 GB ROM and 16 megapixel rear camera. Oh, so the front camera is better than the back camera. That's something. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's a very crisp, clean white to it. It's blue in color. And yeah, turn this thing on. So here's what it comes with. It has this pin that you use to insert your SIM. We have the charger, cord and the headphones. That's about it. It also comes with like a manual or quick start guide. Oh, and there's also a case. That's nice. I mean, that's the first time I'm seeing a phone coming along with a case. Okay, so yeah, you can definitely do it. It's a clear case, so I like that. Okay, so this retails at 19,990. I think not bad for that. One of the best features that I find about this phone is this thing right here. It has the entire touch screen. Okay, so this is something I wanted to show you guys. Add fingerprint, add face. So okay, so this has like a face recognition and also a fingerprint lock opening thing. Okay, so the feature I was most excited about is how Apple has, you know, how you can use your thumbprint to open your phone. You touch right here in Apple. Similarly, it has same technology at the back, so all you have to do is touch it like this. I mean, the way you hold your phone, you'll obviously touch it like this and it just opens up. I think that's something cool to check out. This also has face recognition, which Apple like just added to their phones. So it comes with all the usual apps that you might need. There's some shopping apps, some news browsers, there's a music app. Okay, another thing that I've been hearing a lot about is their camera. Apparently there's this feature called Face Beauty wherein you have all these features which you can use to like click really good pictures and things, which is always a bonus. This is what it looks like. And yeah, that's about it. That is all I had to say about it. I mean, I'll have to use it to kind of know better, but I just discussed the features I was already aware of. It is sleek body and all of that. So yeah, for the 20K range, I think it's a great phone to have. Looks good. I guess lengthwise it is a little, I guess this is of the size of the new Apple X or the 7 series. This is not same as 6S because I have a 6S somewhere in the house and I tried. It is a little, I think 6S comes to be about this much. And yeah, that's about it. That's all I had to say about this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section if you guys would like to see more of technology related videos from me. That's it. Thank you guys. Bye.